Hello everyone! Today we're going to discuss how to create the most fruitful garden for your vegetables using old branches and simple materials. By following these steps, you'll be able to grow delicious, fresh produce in your own backyard. Step 1. Gather your materials. The first step is to gather all the necessary materials. You'll need old branches, which can be found around your house or in your local park. You'll also need some twine or rope, soil, and your choice of vegetables. Step 2. Choose your vegetables. It's essential to choose the right vegetables for your garden. Look for plants that grow well in your area and have a reasonable watering schedule. Some great options include tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, carrots, and leafy greens like lettuce or spinach. Step 3. Prepare the branches. Clean and trim any large branches or dead leaves from the old branches. Make sure you leave enough length to work with. Step 4. Tie the branches together. Take 2 or more branches and tie them together in a knot at the base of the tree. Make sure the knots are secure but not too tight. This will create a frame for your garden. Step 5. Add soil and plants. Now it's time to add soil to your garden and plant your vegetables. Loosen the soil around the branches and add compost or natural fertilizers to enrich the soil. Plant your vegetables according to their specific spacing and watering needs. Step 6. Support your garden. To keep your vegetables supported, tie another branch or 2 together at the top, creating a sort of canopy for your plants. This will help them grow vertically, providing better access to sunlight and reducing the risk of disease. Step 7. Hang your garden. Finally, hang your garden from the branches using twine or rope. Make sure the weight of the garden doesn't cause the branches to bend or break. And there you have it. With a little creativity and some old branches, you can create a beautiful and fruitful garden for your vegetables. Your neighbors will be amazed at the fresh, homegrown produce you'll be able to enjoy. Happy gardening!